Hey, my name's Zach, and I wanted to show you how to import a font into Photoshop. So, I'm on 1001freefonts.com. Now, I'm not using this commercially or making money by doing it, so I'm just going to go ahead and use this website for free. I'm going to hit Old School, scroll down until I find one I like. Rothwell Army looks pretty cool. So all I do is hit Windows Download, and it's going to have a WinRAR file. I just double click, and as you can see, there is a TTF file here. We're going to click the TTF file, extract to, and go to Desktop, and say OK. Now we're going to close out our WinRAR, minus our window here, and we'll even minus that. So, as you can see, Rothwell Army is right here. And if I go into my Photoshop elements, which this can be done the exact same way in Photoshop, and I actually have both programs, and it'll go across the board. So, what I'm going to do next is just show you that I don't have this font already. Called Rothwell Army, so we'll go down to the R's. And there is no Rothwell Army here. So I'll minus this again, and just double click Rothwell Army. It's going to give you examples, it's going to give you that generic quick brown fox sentence, and we'll just hit install. It says installing one of one fonts. And now I can't hit install, so that means it's already installed. So all I have to do is close out of here, go back into Photoshop Elements, go to my text, and we'll scroll down. Now, it didn't load directly into the program yet, so what I'm going to do is close out of Elements. I'm not going to save these, and let's just open up Elements again. And we're going to go into the text menu, and Rothwell Army should be right there. And there we are, Rothwell Army. Click, and now we can type with Rothwell Army. Select all, let's make the font a little bit bigger, let's go 24. And we'll hit the checkbox. Now we can type with Rothwell Army. My name's Zach, and I just showed you how to install fonts on Photoshop. Thanks for watching.